Mastering reported speech. Modals: should, ought to, and had better. Hello, language learners. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery of reported speech, with a special focus on modal verbs. Specifically, we're covering should, ought to, and had better. These verbs play a critical role in English grammar, and understanding how to report them can take your communication skills to the next level. Before we dive into our main topic, let's quickly refresh our understanding of reported speech. Reported speech, or indirect speech, is a way of reporting a statement, question, or request without directly quoting the original speaker. It usually involves a shift in tenses, pronouns, and time and place references. Example: direct speech. He says, "I am going to the park." Reported speech. He says that he is going to the park. In reported speech, we use certain phrases like, "he said," or "she told me," to indicate that we are reporting what another person has said. Now, let's move on to our main topic: modal verbs in reported speech. Modals are verbs that express necessity, possibility, or permission. Today, we'll focus on 3 common modal verbs: should, ought to, and had better. When reporting these modals in indirect speech, they generally stay the same, regardless of whether the speech is in the present, past, or future. This makes them a bit easier than other verbs to handle in reported speech. Let's start with should. When reporting should, we typically don't change it. For example, if the direct speech is, "I should go to the gym," the reported speech would be, "He said he should go to the gym." The same goes for ought to. If the direct speech is, "You ought to finish your work," the reported speech would be, "He said you ought to finish your work." Finally, had better. Like the other two, we usually do not change had better in reported speech. For example, if the direct speech is, "We had better hurry," the reported speech would be, "They said we had better hurry." Here are these examples. Direct: "I should go to the gym." To reported: "He said he should go to the gym." Direct: "You ought to finish your work." To reported: "He said you ought to finish your work." Direct: "We had better hurry." To reported: "They said we had better hurry." Remember, while the modal verbs should, ought to, and had better generally don't change in reported speech, we still need to be mindful of the changes in other elements of the sentence like pronouns and time references. So, that's the basic rundown of how to handle should, ought to, and had better in reported speech. Understanding these rules can really make a difference in your English fluency, and we hope this video has made things a bit clearer. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. As always, happy language learning!